In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable form that feeds data straight into your base with zero manual copying. First, open the Airtable base where you want the form to live. Your form will pull its questions from the fields in your table, so it's helpful if your columns are already set up with the right field types like single select, date, or attachments. If you need to tweak your columns later, don't worry. You can always come back and the form will reflect those changes. Next, look to the left side of your screen for the Views panel. Click Create New to add a new view. When the menu appears, choose Form from the list of view types, then confirm by selecting Create a Form View. Airtable will automatically generate a basic form for you based on the fields in your table. You'll see a live form editor with your questions stacked in order. Now it's time to make it yours. You can add fields that aren't already on the form, hide any you don't want people to see, and drag to reorder the questions into a logical flow. Give the form a clear title and a short description so people know what it's for and how their responses will be used. Use concise labels and, where helpful, add brief instructions in the field settings to reduce confusion. If certain answers are mandatory, toggle them to required so you always get the information you need. Keep an eye on field types too. Using a single select for fixed choices or a date field for scheduling will keep your data clean and consistent. Before you share anything, preview the form to see it from a respondent's perspective. Scan for typos, make sure the order makes sense, and check that long answers have enough space. If something looks off, jump back into the editor and adjust. When you're satisfied, click Share Form. Airtable will give you a link you can copy and send anywhere, email, chat, or your website. This link opens the form for anyone you choose to share it with, making it simple to gather responses at scale. As submissions come in, each response lands as a new row in your Airtable table. You can sort, filter, or group the results just like any other records, and even build additional views or automations from the data you're collecting. That's it. Your Airtable form is ready to go. Thanks for watching.